731, number 1, is a 2-view drawing. So you have a new formula for this. So they've kind of sketched it out for you. You're going to draw the top and the front view of this part. You really don't need the right side. It doesn't give a whole lot of detail, and it kind of crowds up our title block. So 2 views, that's plenty to explain that part. So you need to go to your cheat sheet and get your formulas and figure out which formula to use. You have 2 options for 2 views. So you need to look at both options. This view is the front and the right. My views are side by side. These are up and down, and that is the top and the front. So that's the one I want to use. So you are going to use this formula. Now the formula is the same as the one you've been using. We just kind of dropped a few things out. The up and down formula is exactly the same. Height plus 1 inch plus the depth. You're going to offset your answer, height, 1 inch, and depth. From side to side, you just need to take the width minus the drawing space and divide it by 2. So once you get your answer, offset your answer, and then you can offset the width. Or, since you already have the answer and you need it on both sides, you can offset, and that's going to give you this, and there your parts will be. So make sure you put in the correct numbers and do your offsets like you're used to doing. So for this part, you need to pay attention to a few things, okay? So one of the things that you need to look at, this piece is not even with this piece. That's 2 different measurements. For some reason, everybody wants to just draw a line straight across and start building. This is 5/8. That is a 1/2 inch. This angle, it's a 90-degree angle. So think about what you'd set your polar to, half of 90, to snap those angles into place. You need to draw the front, and then you'll be able to just pull things up to the top. So pay attention to your measurements. Get your height, your width, and your depth. Lay out the formula and draw the top and the front. Draw the front view first.